Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually get tags from YouTube itself. Tags that will get you views on your channel. Like I'm talking thousands of views legitly. And guess what? These tags, we are generating it from YouTube search itself. You can also use ChatGPT to generate tags. If you want me to show you how to do that, let me know down in the comments. I'll make another video teaching you how to use ChatGPT to generate tags for your video. But for this video, we are generating the tags from YouTube search itself. Amazing, right? Some people really do not know how to use YouTube to get tags for their videos, but I'm going to be showing you that in today's video. Trust me, it's easy, it's simple. There's no rocket science to it. It's just watch the video, understand the tutorial, and make sure you apply this to your next video. Now let's dive right into it. First of all, you go to your YouTube app, of course, then you click on the search button. So you're going to type whatever it is your topic or your video is about. So let's use, for example, get more views. So what you're going to click over here now, you can see different options. We see get more views on YouTube, get more views on TikTok. You see the different options of get more views. So basically, these are what people are mainly searching for under the title of getting more views on YouTube, getting more subscribers on YouTube. So now I'm going to pick one, the one that best suits your video. And when you're going to pick it, it's by clicking the arrow. You're not clicking on the title itself. You're clicking the arrow beside it. So let us click on get more views on YouTube videos, since that's what our video is mainly going to be about. This is an example. Okay. So when you click on that, you see that it brings out more options under that particular title, get more views on YouTube. So these are where you get your tags from. These are what people are searching for related to this topic. You see, get more views on YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube videos, tricks to get more views on YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube, secret beginner hack. You see everything. So what you're going to do is to take a screenshot of this, because this is where you're going to select your tags from. Okay. All right. So once you've done that, you can then click the arrow again on a different, one that you can also see more things that people are searching for. Or we go back to the beginning. We also type another get more views on YouTube. You understand? So now we're going to use another title just, to show you another example. We're going to say how to get more subscribers. Yeah, let's do that. How to get more subscribers on YouTube. So you see, these are also another set of tags that people are searching for. So we'll take a screenshot of this and you pick this out, customize them to what suits your video and put them on your tag. Now let's click on another one, how to get more subscribers on a YouTube channel. See what's coming out. These are things you pick and put them as tag. You're not going to use everything. Just select the ones that resonate more with what your video is about. But these are what people are searching for. So it's going to rank. Your video is going to rank in search if you pick all these tags and also base your title on these titles that are coming up here in search. So basically, that is how to easily get tags, high ranking tags from YouTube itself, from the YouTube search button, and this is going to work tremendously on your channel. Also, don't forget that your thumbnail matters for optimization. So for you to get a scope of the type of thumbnail that are trending with this topic you're talking about, let's click on one of the titles and then just look at the thumbnails of the top videos that came out. You see how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, see the type of thumbnail they used. If we keep scrolling, you see another design of thumbnail. So this will just help you, be able to pick a design, format or something to use for your thumbnail. You see, these are what the top videos that are coming out. See the type of thumbnail they use for the type of video you're making. So you can use this, pick ideas from this and also make your own thumbnail. These simple steps are going to help your videos views to blow up. Like you're going to see tremendous increase in your views. You're going to see tremendous growth in your views just by following these few simple steps. Okay, it really is this simple. So please try this out and use them in your video. Also check out how to optimize your channel. I'm going to link videos in the cards that are going to help you. They're going to help you tremendously in your YouTube growth journey. Yes, guys, that is how simple it is to generate YouTube tags on your video from YouTube search itself. And it's that easy. Like I said before, you don't need to add too much tags to your video. Use the right tags that are trending. You put hashtag in your description. Make sure your description is well optimized. If you don't know how to do that, I'll help you with that. You can also use ChatGPT to do that easily. Don't forget, if you want me to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate tags, let me know in the comments, please, and I'll make the video in the next video for you guys so that you understand how to also use that as an option. So please, guys, make sure you apply this to your video. Using the right tags that are trending will help you get more views tremendously. It works, I promise you. I do not bring updates here that doesn't work. So make sure you try this, and please share this video to somebody that would need help, your fellow new YouTubers that will need help in getting tags for their videos. Also, somebody that just doesn't know about this, okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments down below, suggestions, any video you want to see or any problem you want me to tackle. Leave it down in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.